Bye-bye.
Jacob, did we go to the farm?
Fun.
What did we see at the farm?
Muta.
We saw a moo cow. What else did we see there? Mama? Did you see what the mama?
Mama bird.
And the mama pig?
Mama pig.
Baby pigs?
Baby pig.
We see chickens?
Chicken.
What did the chicken say?
Bark.
Good job. What else did we see? Did we see a goat?
Goat.
What did the goat say?
Quack.
Sheep?
Eat.
What did the sheep say?
Ba.
Did we see a rooster?
Odo.
Did it wake everyone up? It said doo-doo.
Doodle.
We saw moo cows.
Muta.
What else? What was the other thing? A horse.
Oat.
We saw horses. And lots of barns. Did you have fun at the farm?
Fun. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.